Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you honest and detailed reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner, the perfect solution for damaged, dry, and color-treated hair. If you're looking for a product that will rejuvenate your hair, restore its shine, and add volume, then you're in the right place. The Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner set is a powerful duo that helps bring life back to weak, thin, and damaged hair. It's enriched with keratin, which works to nourish and repair hair strands, leaving them stronger, smoother, and more manageable. This shampoo and conditioner are designed to boost hair volume and thickness, which is especially helpful for people with fine or thinning hair. It provides a deep cleanse, removing buildup and residue from your scalp, while ensuring your hair remains hydrated and healthy. What makes this product stand out is that it is completely sulfate-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, making it a safe and gentle choice for all hair types, especially those with sensitive scalps. The formula is cruelty-free and has been rigorously tested for quality and safety, ensuring that it's free from harsh chemicals that can damage your hair in the long run. This shampoo and conditioner set also helps to lock in moisture, which is essential for preventing dryness and frizz, a common issue for those with color-treated or damaged hair. The added keratin in both the shampoo and conditioner not only strengthens the hair from the roots to the tips but also provides natural shine and helps straighten curly or wavy hair. The result is smoother, shinier hair that's easier to manage and style. Whether you're looking to repair hair that's been damaged by heat styling or environmental factors, or just looking for a regular product to maintain healthy hair, the Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner is up to the task. In addition to all these benefits, the Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner set promotes healthier hair by improving elasticity, which reduces breakage. You'll start noticing a difference after just a few uses. Your hair will look and feel healthier, with more bounce, shine, and volume. Plus, it's so easy to incorporate into your hair care routine. So, if you're looking for a shampoo and conditioner that can do it all, smoothing, nourishing, and adding shine to dry and damaged hair, this is definitely one to try. The Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner is a game changer for anyone with color-treated or damaged hair. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Stay tuned for our next review, and we'll see you in the next video.